Welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful DeLonghi Espresso machine. This machine had a lot of issues, and it had a low pressure issue, and also the espresso was not hot enough, and so we first replaced the main board, and this dealt with the heat issue, but still had an issue with the pressure. So we also replaced the pump, and now the machine's working great. So let's go ahead and test the machine. We already did the PreInfusion. Oh, there's the PreInfusion. I accidentally hit the button before I started the video. And then there's the main shot. You can see we get a good flow of coffee with good crema. Stop it there, and then let's go ahead and check the steam. So you have nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.